some bubble snakes. Let's get started. You're going to need a bottle, doesn't matter what size. You're going to need a pair of scissors and a Stanley blade because we're actually going to be cutting our bottles. You'll need a sock and you'll need some bubble mix. Firstly, choose the bottle you'd like to use. Most bottles have got a line around the bottom of them. That's the line I'm going to use to cut into my bottle. Get a grown-up to help you with the Stanley blade. Lock it in the blade in place so it doesn't accidentally slip. And now I'm going to place a cut into my bottle. Once you've got that first little cut in there, you can just insert the scissors in and cut the bottle all the way around. Be careful with that edge because that edge could catch on your fingers and hurt you. Now it's time to place the sock over the end of the bottle. Same way you'd put it on a foot, you simply stretch the end over the bottom of the bottle and pull the sock down. Doesn't matter how far up the bottle it comes, the main thing is you want a nice flat surface at the end because you're going to be dipping this into your bubble mix. Now we'll make sure we've got some bubble mix in our basin. Dip our bottle in and let's see how well this works. Some socks don't work as well as others. I've got a different one with a nice big sock. This is an Explorer, a camping sock. Wow, look at that. See how high you can make your bubble tower. So you're going to stand up. Look at that. Do you think you can make yours bigger than mine? Go and find out. Bye!